I'm looking at the unique Bright Professional Photo Studio box. It's got 6 backdrops: black, white, orange, blue, red, green. And I shall open it up and set it up. Let's see what it's like. Comes in a carry case, fold away carry case. Stick to open. Some instructions here. It comes with a small tripod and a phone holder. That takes you through the setup. Let's see, which I should do. I should set it up. That's the cable for the box. Just make sure that's fully open. Yep. Case. Then we have the box with the backdrops. Just take the backdrops off. Here's the box. I see it's got clips to put it together. I'll have to read through the instructions to see which bits go where, but I think I shall have a go now. It's looks fairly straightforward. See, goes in between. That's it. It didn't take long to put together. It's a USB connection on here, and you've got the adjustments on it. So I shall set it up and give it a try out. And the backdrops, there's 2 little hooks at the top, so the backdrops hook onto there. Let's just get a backdrop and try that. That's on fine. This is the backdrop. Lights at the top. There's a top shooting hole there. It's the LED lights at the top. And that's it. And I shall give it a try out, and then I'll come back with my review. Now I've got this fully set up, and unpack the stand. That's the stand that comes with it. It's a fairly basic little stand with movable feet. Holds the phone fine. I should be trying some shots in that, using that. This is the adjustment on it. You've got the lights on, brightness down, brightness up, and different tones of light. Of course, you've got the slot at the top for taking photos from the top. And I shall take a few shots with it, and then I shall unpack it and pack it back up in the box, see how easy and quick that is, and then I shall come back with my full review.